Did you know there's a small town in the Philippines called Bula?
It's in Camarines Sur, in the Bicol region, surrounded by rice fields, coconut groves, and some of the warmest people you'll ever meet.
Bula is made up of 33 barangays.
A barangay is like a village or a neighborhood, the smallest community, each one with its own leaders and its own heartbeat.
And Bula is old.
It was one of the very first mission towns here, founded in 1576.
That's 200 years before America was even a country.
Wild, right? They say the name came from a man splitting bamboo.
When the Spanish asked what they were doing, they simply said, Bula. And to this day, they celebrate the Bamboo Festival every December.
Faith runs deep here.
There's been a church on this ground since 1706, over 300 years of prayers.
And here's what makes Bula so special to us. Pastora Frances and Miss Marissa are cousins.
Their dads were brothers, both born and raised near Bula. This is their family's soil.
In 2025, God added a new chapter.
The Faith Community Center, built right next to Faith Assembly of God, pastored by Elmer and Francis Ramos.
And here's the beautiful part. Miss Marissa's family helped build it.
So this center isn't just a building. It's family, a place to gather, and a refuge when the storms come.
It's where mission trips are hosted.
Where teams come to serve, to love, and to meet the people of Bula.
And honestly, nobody comes back the same.